Snapchat is your preferred photo-taking app because of the lovely stickers and filters available. You might ask how to put Snapchat filters on pictures from camera roll. Only few steps are required. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to put Snapchat filters on camera roll pictures. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Tap on two rectangular cards at the bottom left of your screen. Now click on Camera Roll. Choose the picture you want to add filter to. Tap on three vertical dots located at the top right of your screen. From the pop-up, choose the Edit Snap. Now you can see the editing page. Tap on magnifying icon at the mid-right of your screen. Here you can see all the filters. Tap on the filters you want to add. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to put Snapchat filters on camera roll pictures. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.